Hi guys, this is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else. Today we're coming to you making a Make It in Minutes Monday card. We're going to be making this simple card right here using the designer series paper called Awash in Beauty. It's in the new 2022-23 annual catalog with Stampin' Up! And as you can see, it's right at the end when I was finishing the card. Look at that, I got fingerprints on it. However, we're going to be making a brand new one for you guys to see. So let's get started. We're going to be using the Sending Smiles stamp set. I just love this. Look at all these different words you can be using. You can either cut your stamps. A lot of people will cut them into individual words and then you can line them up. There's so many different possibilities that you can use with all these different words. Another way you can do it is if you put masking tape over the top of it, stamp part of it, and then take the tape off and just piece it together. A lot of fun things that you can do with this stamp set. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our card base, just the normal 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4, to create our card base. So there we have it. This is Mary Merlot. We're going to take our designer series paper, and we're going to have all the measurements over on our blog for you guys, so I won't bore you with all the details. But even using this side would be absolutely gorgeous. But we're going to put glue on the back, and we're just going to adhere this to the front of our card. Okay, so we have that. We're going to set that to the side. Now we're going to use one piece for the inside and one for the outside. And we're going to stamp our outside one first. We're going to be using our Granny Apple Green, and we're going to stamp our stems in that color. Next, we're going to take our Mary Merlot ink, and we're going to stamp our flowers. So I have the small one and the big one. Next, we're going to come in with our Daffodil Delight, and we're going to stamp the middle little dots. Now we're going to bring in our Balmy Blue. Lots of fun colors on this card. We're going to take our Sending Sentiment. Now I have this on the, what block is this? It's the I block. You can also use it on the H block as well. You just kind of got to set it on there kitty wampus. Okay, so we're just gently stamping that on there. And then I'm just going to place this directly on top. Then we're going to bring in our other piece that's going to go on the inside of the card, and we're going to take our inside sentiment, and I chose A Note of Thanks. We're going to take this piece and we're going to put dimensionals on the back of it. Now you don't need to go gung-ho like me. I like to use a lot of dimensionals. We're going to take some glue and put it on the back of this and put on the inside of the card. And just a little bit of this glue goes a long ways. All right, and then we're going to bring in some of our brushed brass butterflies. Say that fast 10 times in a row. So here's our card, super quick and simple. Stamp, inks, and paper is basically what we're doing today, keeping it simple. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects and inspiration. Plus, if you want 5 free card tutorials and weekly inspiration, make sure you're subscribed to our newsletter. You can find the link to subscribe in the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.